Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. I hope all of you are doing good. And this is an announcement video where I have two announcements. So first one is we are going to start a post-training program. So in the post-training program for the next 1.5 months to 2 months, so we are going to keenly monitor the students and give them certain different tasks. So wherein which their technical skill will get more improved. And what is the eligibility to join this post training program, which is free of cost? That is, during the training program itself, we have already requested every one of you to give your mock interviews. Any student who has given 3 to 4 mock interviews minimum and has proven that they have the capable of understanding PEGA and working on the business requirements, they're up to the mark considering our performance criteria. If they are up to the mark, they are allowed to enter into the post training program. And what about others? By the time you finish the course, suppose if you are not up to the mark in the practicals or maybe understanding the subject or something, so no problem, you can go ahead and take your own time, maybe next 2 months or 3 months or even next 4 months also. Be thorough with the basic subject of PEGA, whatever that is being delivered here in at your training program. Then once you are done with that, if you are okay to proceed to give 3 to 4 mock interviews, and if you can prove that you are technically good and understanding the subject you are good, then we will add you into the post training program. For that, we are going to create a separate group, and the shortlisted people will be added to the post training program group. And what is the advantage of joining this? I know even after the training, many of you are spending minimum 1.5 months to 2 months, or maybe even 1 month time to get into your job. This 1 month, if you're good so far, this 1 month you can utilize as an opportunity to enter into post training program, where we are going to give a project. In that project, we are going to just mention some business requirements we are going to give you, but it is not from the scratch from the development. The project is already developed and it will be given to install on your system. Once you install it, there will be change requests, enhancements, bug fixes, so and troubleshooting related. Like this, we will be creating some requirements and we'll be assigning you. You have to work on the existing project. And in that project, we also invite you to work on branching concepts and all more in thorough in detail. And probably we are going to create one Jira account for all of you and whoever is going to be there, and we will provide you the requirements through Jira. And there will be daily status calls and stand-up calls that will be there every day through Google Meet, or maybe we have even our GoToMeeting. So we can utilize any of these platforms and conduct a daily status calls and all, where you are going to submit your assignments end of the day and explain what you have done, how you have done, all this explanation, and you are going to create unit test case documents. This is going to replicate the enterprise environment. So for this, we need a lot of commitment from our end. We need to spend a lot of time, and we need to have more volunteers being hired here for Harsha Trainings on PEGA, more resources to work with us. And for this, you need a lot of dedication and determination. Mostly, this is possible for only those students who are not having any job. I mean, like job seekers or freshers. This is possible for freshers or job seekers. So this is how, if you're going to utilize the opportunity, then definitely, I'll guarantee that if you listen to us, if you're there in this program, within next 2 to 3 months, after the training is completed, within 2 months, max 2 months, definitely you will be in for sure. And for those who are going to join this post training program, to our students, it is free of cost. Suppose if we find some outsiders also, they are giving good interviews and all, if they wish to join, it will be a paid service. So this is what about announcement 1. And for this, the further details about how to enroll about this, I will send out to you. I think I told almost all details. The only one thing is you have to initiate it from your end to give the mock interviews. So far, whoever has given mock interview and whoever has got a good review, if you wish to continue with post training program, join post training program, you have to contact us on the respective email ID like support@harshatrainings.com and mention when did you attend the interview, what was the feedback given. We have everything with us. We will also contact you back. Then it is going to be easy for us when you initiate it from your end. So this post training program definitely will help you not to lose the grip on PEGA and not to lose the interest on your job change or something. So even online people also can make it possible, but mostly it will be good if it is conducted offline. But online also we will plan to do it. But where the student should be available all the time, should be doing assignments regularly. Any student who is going to come to the post training program, if the student is not able to finish the assignment within the given deadline time, per week we are going to give 3 assignments, once in 2 days, 1 assignment. And if they are going to miss the continuous 3 deadlines, they have to drop off from the program and they have to start again giving interviews. Okay, and there will be continuous interviews. Once in 2 days we will be taking the interview for the post training program students also, and based on your performance here we will be definitely making sure to process your profiles from our end, as well as we can also apply in the open market. But remember one thing, this program will make you to get selected and get job in IT industry for sure. Okay, this is the announcement. Next, second announcement. We would like to hire our students, whoever has completed the training program from us in the past, hire them as volunteers to work with us here at Harsha Trainings, and they have to work here as a full-time resource. And mostly those who are job seekers and all, they will be able to do it. And for this also the process is same. The candidate has to give 3 interviews on entire subject. Once we feel that you are good, your performance is good, then we will add you into this post training program, where you will be going through the post training program as well as a volunteer. And being a volunteer here, you are going to help even other students. Not only you're going to do your task, you will be helping other students. What is the advantage if you become a volunteer? We will take care of your expenses related to whatever the documentation that is needed for you to further proceed. That kind of expenses and all, we will take care of it. For those who are staying in Hyderabad nearby our training academy and who are good at subject knowledge, they can utilize this opportunity. We will make sure that you will be getting the good opportunities on PEGA. Definitely you will get settled down next 3 months or 4 months, not even 4 months, 2 months or 3 months max. And during that time you will be working as a volunteer, as well as you will be working as working on this post training program as well as a student. You will be a student plus volunteer both. And moreover, the advantage is that when you are going to explain someone, definitely there will be a chance that you will be learning much better than what you have understood before. So that's how we are going to conduct this post training program plus volunteer program, which is the additional one. So whoever is interested, you can let us know if you shortlisted for the post training program, whoever is interested. And this is not only applicable for current batch students or those whoever has completed recently 594 batch, but also any batches previous. If you have done 1 year back, 1.5 year back, you feel that you have knowledge, give us interviews and we'll shortlist you if you're good, and we will guide you. If you're not up to the mark, we will guide you how to proceed forward further with your preparation, and be prepared and be ready and available. Definitely we'll be hiring you. And also we have a plan in future that we wanted to process the profiles on our payroll, so that discussions are going on. It will take time, but this is a base for making the people hired directly for Yokta Technologies, that is our parent company, and process on our payroll. And the present one which we are going to do is a base kind of establishment, where we will be getting the students here working along with us and molding them and processing their profiles directly to companies, as well as you can also crack the interview for sure. Okay, that is how the training program is going to get designed. And interested people, you can reach out to us on directly. My number is there, 8862666619. So you just mention your name, your student ID, your batch number, and ready to give mock interviews. This is the sentence you have to write: name, student ID, batch number, online or offline mode, and ready to give mock interviews. And your present location mostly should be Hyderabad first, not first. So if you are here, then only you can work as a volunteer. You have to come to Harsha Trainings full day and work as a volunteer. We'll take care of your further expenses here for your survival. All that we will guide you. Even further documentation, expenses, everything we will be bearing. Okay, documentation, not for the certifications and all. Okay, so thank you so much. Waiting for your response. You can just directly WhatsApp me. Don't call me. No clarifications, nothing. This video is very much clear. Okay, just any questions also you WhatsApp me. I'll be answering you tonight. Okay, so send out a message with your name, your batch number, student ID, whether you're online or offline, and ready to join the post training program, ready to give mock interviews and all. Then we will take it forward for sure. Okay, so thank you so much.